What is going on, guys? It's your boy YKTV Frenchie, and y'all know the vibes. In today's video, we are going to be showing you how I flipped a Honda Civic Coupe and doubled my money. As you guys can see, I still have the hatch, so this isn't the car that got flipped. But I also wanted to say thank you guys for everyone that has stuck around, anyone that is commenting and subscribing. We have hit 400 subscribers. We're getting closer and closer to being partnered, and hopefully I can put out content that people enjoyed. So sorry for the long hiatus on the longer style videos, but always make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, show it to your friends, and keep pushing the YKTV Frenchie videos. So thank you guys so much, and let's get into the video. So as you guys see in the clips of the black coupe, it was mechanically pretty good. Didn't have any issues, so just made sure that the fluids were topped up and everything was good that way. But the main issue was the body, so we had to do body work on it, and this was one of my first times doing body work on something that big. As you guys seen in other videos, I sprayed the front of this. I've done basic sanding and stuff, but the idea of body work was a challenge, but I was up to it and I wanted to learn something new. It might not have been perfect, but we made the car look a lot better, and you guys are gonna see the transition in the video right now. So now that the quarter panels were done, I then moved on to restoring the headlights and the cluster. As you see, the cluster was the Italy flag, so I decided to go black with it, and just small things to make the car overall look way better. Now that all that stuff was done, it was time to spray the car. And as I used on this car over here, the turbo hatch, I used the undercoat, which is just Canadian Tire paint you can get for super cheap, thinned it out, sprayed the car. And as you see in the upcoming clips, I had to spray it twice. It did have zebra stripe the first time, but then I ended up fixing it, making it look a lot better. And at the end, I was super proud about how the car turned out and the body work in itself. I thought I did pretty good in shaping it, and it was just an overall good experience. So you guys are gonna see the car go from sanded to sprayed to back sanded, and then I sprayed it again, and it looked completely way better after all those times that I had to respray it It looked a lot better at the end. Showed out my dad, helped me a lot with that. And yeah, so you guys are going to see the full transformation, and it turns out mint.
Bro, that looks fire. That looks fucking... Hell yeah. Hell yes, man. Fucking... Yeah! That's awesome. Fucking struggle, but awesome.
So, as you guys can see, I sprayed the car, did the body work on it, ended up changing the tires, cleaned the interior out, car looked pretty mint, and the next thing I did is I listed up on Facebook Marketplace, and less than 24 hours later, someone came and picked up the car. So, overall, was it worth it? Of course. I learned a lot, I made some money on the side, and it's just another stepping stone in the right direction. Super proud of the shaping, not so much the paint in general, but the shaping of the bodywork is something that I improved a lot in, and I was super proud on that, and it'll give me more confidence once I end up doing the bodywork on this car and spraying it. So if you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, because it's your boy YKTV Frenchie. I'm gonna try my best and continue to put out longer format content. I know a few people were just telling me that they want the longer form content, and I'm gonna try to give you guys that. So it's your boy YKTV Frenchie signing off, and peace.